Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to reset your Windows 11 to factory settings without losing data. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. So, let's begin. To reset your Windows 11, open Settings, then Windows Updates, and then Advanced Options. And here click on Recovery, and then click on Reset PC. And here, select your preference. If you want to keep your files, select first option, and if you want to remove all of your files, select the second one. Also let me tell you that, if you proceed with second option, it will not remove anything from any other disk partitions. After choosing your desired option, here select Local Install, as Cloud Install will download a copy of Windows 11, and then reinstall it. And now, just click on Next to proceed. And here, resetting your PC will do the following things. To proceed, click on Reset. This process will take some time, so wait for that. And successfully booted to Windows 11. At this point, you will have a list of removed apps, linked with Edge, and after resetting your PC, you will have to check for Windows updates and will need to install all your apps needed. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.